These relaxing pigment ASMR videos are absolutely taking over YouTube and TikTok right now, and some creators are pulling in insane numbers with them. And yes, this niche is fully monetizable on YouTube. The rule is simple: add your own creativity, do your own voiceover, provide useful information, and make the editing visually engaging. That's all it takes. AI plus your creativity can become a powerful combination. Just look at this channel. They have already grown to thousands of subscribers simply by posting relaxing pigment ASMR video like these. And their uploads are consistently getting millions of views. So today, I'm going to show you the complete workflow step by step. But before we begin, don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful, and subscribe if you want more viral AI niches like this. For this method, we are going to use ChatGPT, but not in the way most people do. We will use a master prompt. If you want the exact master prompt, comment prompt below and I will send it to you. Now copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and click generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 different video ideas. For this tutorial, I am choosing idea number 3. But you can pick any idea you like or simply type more to generate even more ideas. Once you choose an idea, ChatGPT will generate everything you need. And that's the power of this master prompt. As you can see, it generates the specific material names and all the important details that we will also use during editing. It also gives you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. First, copy the image prompt for the scene 1, then open Google Flow and create a new project. Choose image, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, select Nano Banana 2, paste the prompt and click generate. Within a few seconds, your first image will be ready. And the quality already looks incredibly realistic. Now copy the second image prompt, drag your first image into the prompt as a reference, paste the second prompt and click generate. Once both of your images are ready, it's time to turn them into a cinematic video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Return to Google Flow and switch to video. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose Omni Flash and set the duration to 10 seconds. Drag the first image as the starting frame and the second image as the ending frame. Paste the video prompt and click generate. Wait for the render to finish and your first relaxing pigment ASMR video is ready. Now let's watch the final result together. If you want more viral AI niches, AI workflows, and trending content ideas before everyone else discovers them, leave a like, comment the niche you'd like me to cover the next, and make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.